And we are continuing to track a major wildfire this morning in Glendora, California. It is one of several fires across the state this month. But January is supposed to be the rainy season.
The dangerous conditions come from a drought that began more than a decade ago. Forecasters say 2013 was California's driest year on record. CBS This Morning contributor Michio Kaku is a physics professor at the City College of New York. Professor, good morning.
Morning.
So what's causing this drought?
This is the drought from hell. You had to go back to 1849 to find anything as bad as this, the drought of the century.
Yeah.
Now, what's behind it? Think of an 800-pound gorilla sitting on the American West. It's a high-pressure area. As rain clouds come in, they're deflected into Alaska, Canada, and the Midwest, and that's what's happening.
Yeah, I mean, we're laughing, as you said, it was the drought from hell, but for the people in California, it is living hell for them. I mean, this is a terrible drought for the whole state.
That's right. Reservoirs are down to 30% of normal. We're witnessing a catastrophe in the making. The economies of the West could be a train wreck in slow motion.
Yeah, it's not only the threat of fires, it also affects the livelihood of people who depend on fertile land.
Exactly. We're talking about the potential of maybe water rationing in the future, water wars between consumers, ranchers, and farmers. We're talking about the fact that the migration could actually start to take place in some of these areas as people just throw in the towel and leave.
So is it going to get better? Is this just a bad year?
Well, there is a theory that it's driven by what is called the Pacific Decadal Oscillation, PDO for short. It has a cycle time of 20 to 30 years. The good news is it means it will end.
Really?
The bad news is we don't know when.
Wow. All right, Professor.
That's what makes physics exciting.
Yes. Professor Michio Kaku, good to see you. Thank you so much.